Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing a list of your installed apps on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Apps from the left sidebar. Now click Installed Apps. Here you can view a list of the apps installed on your PC. At the top right, you can sort them by size, date, and other metrics. You can easily uninstall apps here by clicking the three dots icon next to the app and selecting Uninstall. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.